Are New York's Thousand Islands boat tours mobility friendly? If you are curious about whether Thousand Islands boat tours in New York accommodate those with mobility challenges, you are in the right place. Let's break it down so you can plan your adventure with confidence. Many boat tours in the Thousand Islands region are designed with accessibility in mind. This includes features that support guests who use wheelchairs or other assistive devices. Most vessels have wheelchair-accessible boarding ramps, making it easier for everyone to get on board. Crew members are typically available to assist with boarding, ensuring a safe and smooth experience. Once on board, you will find that the main deck is usually level and accessible. This is where most sightseeing occurs, allowing everyone to enjoy the stunning views of the islands. However, it is important to note that restroom facilities can vary. Some boats do have accessible restrooms equipped with grab bars, but these may be compact and not suitable for larger power wheelchairs or mobility scooters. Additionally, some restrooms are located on upper decks that requiring stairs, which would not be accessible for those with mobility issues. Service animals are generally welcome on these tours, which is great news for those who relying on their furry companions for assistance. Transportation to and from the boat departure points is often wheelchair accessible, making the entire journey easier for guests with mobility concerns. While many tours accommodate a range of physical fitness levels, it is always a good idea to reach out to the tour provider ahead of time. This way, you can confirm specific accessibility options and ensure that your needs will be met during your trip. New York State is committed to making its attractions, including those in the Thousand Islands region, welcoming to all visitors. Tour operators are encouraged to provide reasonable accommodations, promoting inclusive experiences in the Adirondacks and Thousand Islands areas. So, if you are planning to take a boat tour, do not hesitate to ask questions and communicate your needs. This way, you can enjoy the beautiful scenery and make the most of your adventure in upstate New York.